नमस्कार, मैं हूँ अरविंद सिंह पेमावत। I'm a group head of career development and corporate relations Gitanjali Group, Udaipur. Basically, when we talk about education, then we always talk about engineering. And when we talk about engineering, then we always talk about the curriculum, why engineering, what we can do in engineering, how we can spend a quality time in engineering so that we can become an employable. Because engineering is a professional degree. It's a technical course where we have the expectations, where every parent has the expectations that if we are doing engineering, then definitely we have to achieve something, we'll get something good in the form of job, in the form of entrepreneurship, in the form of skill development. So everyone, when students are coming into the colleges, when they take admission into the engineering, then they have the same phenomena, they have the same very common questions, what they have to do in 4 years of engineering so that they can become successful in their life. What they do in 4 years of curriculum of engineering, how much percentage they have to gain, how much efforts they have to put so that they can become successful when they are going out from the engineering, they can become successful as an employee, or they can develop their skill in such a way that they can make their future in better form. So when you're entering into the college, after some scrutiny process, after some shortlisting process, whether you are going for IITs, whether you are going for NITs, whether you're going for any kind of colleges, through any shortlisting process, through test, through interview, when you're entering into the engineering, when you are taking admission in the first year of engineering, your focus has to be on the basic concept of engineering. In the 10th and 12th, you have to just revise it, you have to just make understandable yourself so that you can become a good engineer in future. After completion of first year, normally we talk about any NITs, IITs, any institutions, after first year you always get a gap of 2 months after 2 semesters complete. So your focus area has to be in such a way that whatever theoretical learning and the aspect you have learned during this 1 year of curriculum, you have to have a practical aspect of that. And for that you need to go for a summer internship. You have to go for the winter internship after first semester. So it can be for 15 days, it can be for 30 days, it can be for 2 months. If you are really having that kind of exposure, then your learning will be better in another way. Your learning will be better from another college student in any format, right? So that is the first year of engineering, you have to focus on that. When we're talking about engineering, computer science, then you should have a basic concept and basic knowledge of your programming languages, which we say common C, C++. These kind of languages you have to focus on that. When we talk about electrical, mechanical, electronic, civil, then you should be thorough with the basic concepts of engineering, of core engineering. After completion of first year, when you are moving into second year, then you have to go on some advanced practices, some advanced knowledge of your subject. And you have to improve your aptitude, you have to improve your communications, you have to focus on your soft skill, because that is very important. After third year or fourth year, you cannot get the time to improve your soft skill, your general knowledge, your aptitude. That cannot be improved after second year or third year. So that focus area you have to put on second year only. So if you have improved the basic concepts in first year or second year, if you have improved your aptitude, because in every process you have to face the written examination, so you have to improve your aptitude, reasoning, mathematics and aptitude, as well as you have to improve your soft skill. So in second year you have to work on your soft skill, you have to work on your aptitude, as well as you have to give yourself some knowledge where you can learn through practical experiences. You have to go for some seminars, you have to go for some conferences, you have to go for some live projects. You can participate in any kind of national level competitions, just like Smart India Hackathon, just like Ideathon, just like some kind of competition which is arranged for the engineering student. After completion of second year, you have some certification in your hand, you have some achievement in your hand, you have some practical exposure in your hand, and after second year, you can also go for 2 months of internship in any organizations where you have done already the internship, or you can go with another organizations. If you're not getting internship, because internship is slightly some kind of difficult task, in that case, you can make a group of your friends and you can work on a live projects in your field only. After second year, third year, you have to improve your knowledge part, because now the time has come where you have to focus on your employability skills. And when we are talking about employability skills, you have to be thorough with your knowledge about your subjects. You have to be very strong about your concepts. You have to be very strong about your every kind of subjects which can be useful when you are joining into the organizations. So whatever knowledge you have gained, give a finishing to the knowledge what you have gained, and participate in the campus interviews, participate in the off-campus interviews, participate in the walk-in interviews, participate in any kind of interviews where you can go, what you can face, and focus on your objectives, what objective you have, where you want to go, what knowledge you want to gain. And these all things, if you are carrying all together, if you are having good knowledge, if you are having good skills, if you are having good communications, I think nobody can stop you. And I can tell with my 15 years of experience in the field of career development and corporate relations, there are no lack of opportunities. Ample of opportunities available in the market. And engineering, one of the best course. If you are really going for engineering, employability is 100% sure if you are really doing with full of effort. इसी के साथ सभी का धन्यवाद, वर्क मूव टीम का भी धन्यवाद। सभी विद्यार्थियों को कहना चाहता हूं, अपने स्किल्स को सुधारें, अपने ऊपर काम करें, और इसी के साथ सभी को जय हिंद, जय भारत, धन्यवाद।